Hi everyone, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. So happy to have you here. Today, as you can see from the title, I have got a handbag unboxing reveal. So very excited to show you because this is a bag from a brand that I have just fallen in love with, and that is Fendi. And so I'm so excited to show you. I'm not sure if you guys have any idea maybe what you think that I got. If you do, please put it in the comments below. As you know, on this channel, I love to do topics of luxury, fashion, style, especially handbags. Definitely handbags are just such a passion of mine, so I love to share that with you. And as I kind of mentioned in my previous videos, that I kind of had over this last year where I bought a lot of bags, ones that I tried to buy intentionally from brands that I love, brands that I wanted to try out, ones that I've been thinking about for a long time. So really not so many impulse buys or anything. I'm trying to be a little bit better about that and just kind of really curate my handbag collection. And I think this is definitely one that's just one that I'm just so happy about, so in love with. I did kind of already peek at it and see it. I actually even used it one time, but it is still going to be new to my channel, so going to be a reveal for you all. The outfit that I'm wearing, this color kind of maybe gives you a little hint to it, just because I feel like I've kind of have my more classic, timeless kind of styles, and now I'm just wanting things that are a little bit more fun, which is definitely my style. Things that are fun that I will use, and this one falls into that category. So let me show you. This was pre-loved from the Realreal. I bought a lot of bags. You can kind of see it in there. So let me go ahead and just show you. So I'm going to open up this dust bag. This one did not come with its own dust bag. And here it is. This is the Fendi mini peekaboo. Now I do own the peekaboo in the medium size. I'll have that video in my channel. So I have that one and I loved it, but it was kind of big for like everyday kind of use. And so I wanted the mini, which I'd been eyeing for a long time, in a fun color. And this color is just beautiful. I don't own anything like this, but like you can see, it kind of goes with this outfit. It goes with a lot of other outfits and type of clothing that I wear. But this is in this beautiful, like, it's like a purpley blue periwinkle kind of like with slight like lavender tinge. It's hard to describe the color. I'll kind of put it up close so you guys can see this color, but it's in this beautiful soft Napa leather. I mean, oh my goodness, it is so soft. And I have it stuffed right now, but I'll take out the stuffing and show you guys. So what I love about the peekaboo bags is just how like classic they look. So if you can see from here, this is, I think this is technically the front because it's got that pocket in there. So it's also leather lined, the same color leather, but this is the interior. It's got the little bar in the middle that lets it snap. This is in a silver hardware, which usually I don't like silver hardware, but for some reason I really liked it in this bag. It's called the peekaboo because it can kind of peek out like that as it slouches over time. And this is the back, just a little slip pocket. It does come with an adjustable thin strap. So I love removable, adjustable straps to have it. I love carrying this like top handle, but I definitely like to have that option too. So this is just so beautiful. And this was pre-loved, so a little bit of wear in the corners, but not terrible. With the soft leather, I think it's kind of expected. But what do you think? I am in love with this color, with this bag. I think it's much more versatile color than you would think, because it definitely complements a lot of things that I have in my wardrobe. So here it is, my little mini peekaboo. I've always wanted the mini peekaboo, and now I can say I have one in my collection in this beautiful fun color. Like I said, I've already worn it and I've loved it, and I can't wait to wear it more. If you guys are interested to kind of see like what's in my bag, and you know, kind of how I style it, how I wear it, I'd love to show you. Just let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this reveal. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below if you haven't, and I would love to have you back in my future videos. I've got some more handbag reveals just because of the things I've accumulated over this past year. So if you would love to see it, please remember to hit subscribe, the notification bell. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this beautiful bag. And if you would like to see more, I will hopefully see you then in my next video. Have a good, wonderful day. Bye.